Welcome back, Freestyle Nation. Welcome back to our next video today again. You know what I mean? I'm back in the kitchen today, guys, and today I'm back with some steamed fish and crackers. Stay tuned for that and come along. Freestyle. Yeah, so it's all about some steamed fish and crackers. You know what I mean? So right here I have some nice snap over here. You know what I mean? They're not too big, but yeah, some reasonable sizes. Over here I got my natural seasoning. So I have onions, scallion, sweet pepper, okra, I have tomato, I have carrot, scotch barnet, pepper, thyme. You know what I mean? So well, nice and colorful. Over here I have my water crackers, and I already know we have to have the spices then for go with the steamed fish. So we have the fish seasoning, and we have the all-purpose seasoning, and we have the allspice, and we have some scotch barnet pepper, we have some primento grains. So we'll just put everything together, guys, and just build a nice cooking vibe on the day. So just stay tuned as I get my fish prepped. I'm now getting my fish prepped. Now I'm getting some all-purpose seasoning. Then I'll go ahead and add some fish seasoning. I just sprinkle everything and then I'll just rub them in. I have some allspice right here. So the allspice is a combination of spices. It has the scotch barnet pepper. It has stuff like the primento, thyme. You know what I mean? It's a bunch of seasoning mixed together. It's very flavorful. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a small amount on it. You know what I mean? Yeah, because as I'm a fish, I like when my fish or my meat is well seasoned, and you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and add some all-purpose fish seasoning now. That's it. Then I'm gonna rub them in. I don't have a camera person today, guys, so it's kind of rough on me. So sit the pot. Now go ahead and add my natural seasoning. Ooh. My natural seasoning, guys. I'm gonna allow my seasoning to cook a little bit, and then I'll add the fish. Stay tuned. Add some all-purpose seasoning to the natural seasoning. Some all-purpose. Also, I will add some fish seasoning. After which I will add the fish. Here, freestyle. So I will now put the fish in the pot, as you can see. Guys, it's smelling so good, so nice and colorful. You can see for yourself. See, after which I will get some of the gravy and put on top of the fish. Then I'll cover it. Allow it to steam at low temperature. Yeah, freestyle. So the fish is coming along nice and lovely. You can see for yourself, nice and colorful. I will have it steam for probably like about 3 more minutes, and then I'll add the crackers to it. We'll now go ahead, guys, and add the crackers to the fish. Guys, trust me, this is smelling so good. Guys, as always, guys, please remember, like and share these videos. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Yes, viewers and subscribers, this is it. My dinner is now complete. Steamed fish and crackers with okra, yam banana. Guys, it's looking so good, so delicious. Guys, as always, guys, eat what you cook and cook what you eat. nice vegetables, the okra, snapper fish, the crackers, the yellow yam, the banana. Trust me guys. Yeah, this is it. As always guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Catch you in the next one guys. Thanks for watching. Freestyle away.